Renee, could you please tell us about your Anxiety Solution CBT manual?
I would love to, Lauren. This manual is my pride and joy. It has taken me many years to develop. Its first incarnation was in 1995, but I have developed it and reworked it, and I'm not exaggerating when I'm saying that probably hundreds of people have benefited from this manual. So what is it? It's broken into 10 sessions, and in each session we learn a different tool. And the reason I've done it into 10 sessions is it takes 90 days for a person to make a real change. I have to be honest, it used to be 12 sessions, but because in Australia Medicare reduced it to 10, I was able to shorten or combine 2 of the sessions. And basically, when an anxious person comes to see me and we agree to work on this together, my experience is they're very happy because it's something concrete. You know, it's no longer in the hands of the therapist to be some guru and you don't really know what's going on. I will say, this is what we're going to work on together. We know each week what we're going to deal with, which tool. So that demystifies the whole of psychology, and it also empowers people with psychoeducation and tools that they can go home and read in between. It's very structured, which helps people who are anxious, and it all works around this, which is my anxiety management worksheet. This is a 4-step process. I'm not going to give it all away now, but basically how it works is I teach people how to go through 4 steps. People have told me this is what they call their reset button. They're feeling anxious. I left something at home. It's a disaster. They quickly work through the 4 steps. They find tools that help them feel better. They immediately work down their anxiety. And Lauren, this is the key. It's not just the psychoeducation and the knowledge, it's the practice. After 90 days of every week practicing the worksheets and the tools, each person has rewired their brains. They've taught themselves to think differently. So those old thoughts that cause you stress no longer exist and have been replaced by new helpful thoughts. Those old behaviors that maintained anxiety are gone and substituted by good behaviors that enhance good living. So this is what we do at Anxiety Solution CBT. This is what we work through with real and tangible results.
Thanks, Renee.